Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My name is Akash Borgalli and I am a Microsoft certified Azure AI engineer. And today in this video we are going to see what is our business problem, and to solve this particular business problem we are going to see the architecture diagram that we have created. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into our business problem statement. So what it tries to say to us is there is a company called as Skyrocket Overseas which wants to reduce task and time of the employees, where the role of the employees is to be available till the working hours waiting for the customers to arrive on their online system, and once any particular customer is arrived, he or she needs to collect necessary details from the user that are planning to study abroad, and also help them with their queries related to their company, after which notify the overseas consultants for the same, then feed the customer details in database for future analysis of data. Now to solve this we have created this architecture diagram. Okay, so as you all can see, these are our end users, meaning these are our customers. You can say clients. Okay, that would be using Microsoft Team, that would be integrated in this bot channel, and this bot channel is one of the component of Azure bot. Azure bot, where in this Azure we are going to deploy our bot which resides under this resource group. Now this bot we are going to use Microsoft bot framework composer to build a sophisticated chatbot. Now this particular bot we are going to use Louis and Q&A maker, which comes under Microsoft Cognitive Services. This Louis we are going to use to understand user sentences. Okay, and this we are going to use for answering user queries. Okay, then we are going to send the data in a JSON format to this MuleSoft app. So there is MuleSoft that we are going to use as a middleware application, where we are going to create an API. Okay, and this API task would be to send email notification to a particular mail ID, followed by sending the data in a form of JSON to Cosmos DB, as you all can see here. And to secure our Mule application, we are going to see client, sorry, it's too dark. Client enforcement policy that we are going to apply to secure our API basically. And to develop our API, we are going to use something called as Anypoint Studio. And to deploy, we are going to use Anypoint Platform. Hope we are clear as to what we are going to do and how. So in our next video, we are going to see the code walkthrough for this MuleSoft, and then we would see as to how we have created this chatbot with the deployment, and followed by how the end-to-end working of this whole chatbot project. So please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay tuned and see you all in my next video. Thank you all. Bye.